Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over INSURACE. Now INSURACE is a brand new token. Their pre-sale just finished on Pink Sale. They did amazing on their pre-sale. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it now that the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, INSURACE. So they have a full audit. They were audited by Contract Checker, and you can view the PDF of that on Pink Sale. They also have a full KYC, which means their team was doxed to Contract Checker to verify who they are for security reasons for investors. They also have a SAFU badge on here by Contract Checker, so they have all good, all three security measures in place there: audit, KYC, SAFU badge. So now that the pre-sale is over, you can get this token on PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the INSURACE token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, which is insurancefi.io. And another security measure here, the liquidity is locked on PancakeSwap for 730 days, which is a lot of time. They have a Discord, a Twitter, a Telegram, official webpage, and even an embedded YouTube video that you could watch on Pink Sale called INSURACE Official Teaser. So INSURACE is the first sustainable staking and insurance protocol that covers investment loss. Have you ever heard about any protocol covering investment loss for investors? Definitely not. INSURACE is the pioneer with the aim of giving the investors a chance to win no matter how the market evolves. Insurance funds covers investment loss BUSD APR up to 1,200% for stakers. Their dApp is live. Infinity Chain, low tax, 5% on buys and sells. Nabox partnership, and Asbit and Coinsbit central exchange listing. So they already got 2 central exchange listings in the works. So if you don't want to get this off PancakeSwap, it is going to be available on Asbit and Coinsbit as well. Now they had a huge pre-sale here. They started out with just a tiny soft cap of 50 BNB, but when the pre-sale was over, they sold 1,178.26 BNB worth of tokens, which is an insane amount, since they just set the soft cap at 50. So some of the key features of the protocol here, we got sustainable staking protocol, insurance contract, invest with confidence, low tax trading, 5% basically, referral program, and Infinity Chain. So if we scroll down here to their roadmap, it says they started with idea and concept, website development, white paper documentation, working with SAFU developer for smart contract, dApp design and deployment, audit contract with Contract Checker, deploy smart contract, SAFU audit and KYC badge on Pink Sale, pre-sale launch marketing, fair launch on Pink Sale, and then coming up next, we got PancakeSwap listing, CoinGecko coin market cap listing, and then we got Asbit Central Exchange and Coinsbit Central Exchange listing. So the cool thing is, if it gets listed on PancakeSwap first, and you know it's going to be listed on a bunch of central exchanges later, it may be a good idea to get in before it gets to all those listings, right? So people are always asking, what's the contract address of certain tokens before they get listed on central exchanges? I get those comments a lot because people really try to get in on that before more eyeballs see it on the central exchange. So then we got banner ads on PooCoin, Dex tools, crypto sites, AMAs, Certic audit is coming eventually, dApp upgrade to V2, the Vault launch, expand insurance assets, launch alpha version of the mobile application on Android